Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got China Glaze, Persevere in pink and Maniology MXM041. I'm starting off with Nailtique's Formula 2, and this is an active color by China Glaze, and this is Persevere in pink. Very neutral, very neutral. It's kind of jelly-like, so I am going to do at least a couple of coats. I am not worried about getting full opacity with it, but you know, I want to make it look smooth and good. Kind of cover up that yellow that's on my nails. So I'm capping my free edge, and we're going to go in with the second coat. This is not my favorite China Glaze, but I really like having this super duper light baby pink, almost white cream to, you know, use as a base for some nail art. So there we go, 2 coats. We're going to top that with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Gonna seal it in, get it to dry down, because y'all know we're going to do some stamping today. Capping that free edge there. And here we go. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Gotta get that orange wood stick out. And there is it on its own. As you can see, there's still nail. MXM041, and I'm going to use this like leafy, foily, floral looking whatever. And this is a kaleidoscope polish called The Paradise. It's like this crazy metallic burnt orange reddish color. I love this one. So I'm just going to pull different bits and pieces from this plate and this image and just put it all over the nails. Just, you know, haphazardly. And I really like this one because it was almost like doing a negative space manicure, which I can't really do because of the yellow on my nails. I can't just have straight through to my nail showing because, you know, they're always stained from polishes. So I really thought this was as close as I was going to get to that look. And that's exactly what I was going for with this. And I think it turned out rather nice. I'm pretty excited about it. This stamp and polish just worked like a dream. I didn't have any problems with the plate or the polishes, my scraping card or stampers. Everything worked great today. Love it when it works out like that. And here we go. We got all them digits stamped up. I'm going to go in with a little piece of tape here and clean up the excess. And as usual, I'm going to be, you know, tidying up with my cleanup brush as well. Just because that's how I have to do it. It's programmed in me. So there we go. I am going to use the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. I'm going to go over this real quick. This stuff dries really fast, so no waiting really. Pretty much when I'm done with the last one, I'm ready to finish off here with my Posh top coat, and this one will be complete. And I really did enjoy this one. I hope you did too. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. Here is my swatch photo, and that is it for me today. So I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon.